Hey, my name is Nicholas. I'm going to show you my homemade electric lockpick. As everybody can see, and here I have a MILLARCO P.R.O.F, a padlock. I don't know where it comes from, but I think it's from China or something like this. As you can see, the tension tool, I'm pushing it down. Nothing happened. I have no key or nothing. And the shackle, oh sorry, here, you can see, this is what we've done today. I'm going to show you real quick. And it's open. Nothing, I cannot turn it now, but let's show you again. And again. I'm really amazed how good it works. And there, 3 times in a row. Thank you everybody. Follow me for more videos.